Hello everyone, welcome back. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, what do you do on weekends? Today we are making plans. I am sitting at a cafe. I have some free time. I think about the weekend. What can I do?
Weekends are important. Time to rest or have fun. Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am free. No work, no big plans. That is nice. I want to meet a friend. Maybe go out. Maybe do something simple. I am not sure yet.
That is a good idea. Meeting a friend is always nice. Do you have someone in mind?
Yes, I think about Anna. She is my friend. We did not meet last week. I want to see her. I take my phone. I write a message. Anna, are you free this weekend? I wait.
Simple and clear. Good message. Now you wait for the answer. What does she say?
She replies, "Hi, Jane. Yes, I am free on Saturday." That is good. I read her message again. She is free on Saturday. That is perfect. I want to make a plan. I write, "Great. What time are you free?" I wait.
Good question. Time is important. You need a clear plan. What does she say?
She replies, "I am free after 2, in the afternoon." That is good. I think for a moment. Afternoon is fine for me. I write again. I choose a time. I say, "Let's meet at 3. Is that okay?" I wait.
Nice and simple. Clear time, easy to understand. And the place?
Yes, I need a place. I write, "Let's meet at the cafe near the park." Good place. She replies, "Yes, that's perfect. See you at 3. We have a plan."
That is great. Time and place are clear. Simple plan, no confusion. Perfect for a weekend.
Now we have time and place. But what will we do? I want a simple plan, something easy. I write, "What do you want to do? Coffee or walk?" I wait.
Good options. Coffee is easy. Walking is also nice. What does she choose?
She replies, "Let's have coffee first. Then we can walk." Good idea. I smile. I write, "Great plan. I like it."
That is a nice plan. Simple and flexible. First coffee, then a walk. Very good.
I say, "See you on Saturday at 3. I feel excited. I put my phone down. I think about the weekend. It will be nice. I am happy. The next day, I think about Saturday. The plan is ready. I feel happy. I wake up in the morning. I check the time. Still early. I have time.
That is a nice feeling. When you have a plan, you feel excited, not bored.
I think about the meeting. Coffee and a walk. Simple, but nice. I like it. I also feel a little nervous. What will we talk about? Will it be fun? I am not sure.
That is normal. A little nervous is okay. It means you care. That is a good sign.
Yes, I smile. I say, "It will be fine." I feel better. I wait for the time. I look at the clock. Slowly. Saturday is coming. It is almost time. I stand in front of my closet. I look at my clothes. What should I wear? I take a blue shirt. I look at it. It is nice. But is it too simple?
Ah, the classic problem. Choosing clothes is not easy, especially before a meeting. What do you do?
I try it on. I look in the mirror. Not sure. I take another shirt. This one is white. It looks clean. Maybe better.
Two choices now. Blue or white? Simple but important. What do you feel?
I look again. Blue is more relaxed. White is more formal. I think about the plan. Coffee and a walk. Not formal. I smile. Blue is better.
Good decision. Simple and comfortable. That is perfect. You feel like yourself.
I finish getting ready. I check the time. It is almost 3. Time to go. I leave the house. I walk to the cafe. The weather is nice. I feel ready. I arrive at the cafe. I look around. There are many people. I search for Anna.
That moment is important. You look around, you try to find her. Do you see her?
Not yet. I check the time. It is 2:55. I am early. I stand near the door. I wait. I look at the street. I watch people.
Waiting can feel long, even a few minutes. What are you thinking?
I feel a little nervous again. What will I say first? I think about it. I smile. Then I see her. She is walking to the cafe. She smiles at me. I feel good.
That is the moment. You see each other, and the meeting starts. What do you do?
I walk to her. I smile. I say, "Hi, Anna." She says, "Hi, Jane." We walk inside together. The cafe is busy. We stand near the counter. It feels nice. I say, "Let's order coffee." She says, "Yes." Good start.
Simple and easy. Coffee is always a good idea. What do you order?
I look at the menu. I read slowly. Many choices. I decide. I say, "I want a latte. Hot, please." Simple.
Good choice. And Anna?
She says, "I want a cappuccino. Also hot." We are similar. We go to the counter. I say, "2 coffees, please." The barista smiles. He takes the order.
Nice teamwork. Easy and clear. What about payment?
I take my card. I say, "I will pay." She says, "No, I will pay." We both laugh. In the end, I pay this time. She says, "Next time, me." That sounds good. We take our coffees. We find a table. We sit down. It feels comfortable. I hold my cup. It is warm. I take a small sip. It tastes good.
Nice moment. First sip is always important. What about Anna?
She takes a sip too. She smiles. She says, "It's good." She looks relaxed. I say, "Yes, I like it. Not too strong. Just right."
Good start again. Coffee, calm, simple talk. Now the real conversation can begin. What do you talk about?
I look at her. I feel relaxed now. No more stress. I enjoy the moment. I say, "I'm happy we met." She smiles. "Me too," she says. I take another sip of coffee. I hold the cup carefully. I smile. It is still good. Then, suddenly, my hand moves a little. The cup tilts. Oh no!
Something happened. Tell me, did you spill it?
Just a little. A few drops fall on the table. Not too bad, but still funny. Anna looks at me. 1 second, then she laughs. I laugh too.
That is the best reaction. No stress. Just laugh and continue. That makes it easy.
I take a napkin. I clean the table. I say, "Sorry." She says, "It's okay." Then she says, "Now it is your style." I laugh. It is funny.
That is a nice joke. Small mistake, big smile. That makes the moment better, not worse.
After we finish our coffee, I look at Anna. I smile. I say, "Let's walk." She smiles back. She stands up. She says, "Yes, let's go." That is nice.
Good, simple plan. Coffee first, then a walk. Perfect day.
We leave the cafe. The air is fresh. We walk slowly. It feels good. We go to the park. There are trees and people. Some are walking, some are sitting. It is calm.
That is a nice place. Quiet and simple. Good for talking. Good for friendship.
We walk and talk. No stress, no rush, just simple conversation. I enjoy it. I say, "I'm happy today." She smiles. "Me too," she says.
That is a good moment. Simple plan, simple talk, real connection.
If you liked this episode, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, what do you like to do on weekends?
We would love to hear your plans. Thank you for listening today. See you in the next episode.